Hello everyone and welcome back to Algebra 1. Today we are continuing with concept number 7, which is on growth and decay. Let's get right into our example for today. Our word problem reads, the value of a new car in 2015 was of $40,000. It depreciates by 7% each year that passes. How much will the car be worth in 2024? Now, very quickly, what it means to depreciate is that it loses its value. So each year that passes, the car loses 7% of its whole value, which is $40,000. Now, we are going to figure out how much the car is worth in 2024, which is after a couple years. It's 9 years actually. So after 9 years have passed, how much will the car be worth? In this instance, we are dealing with decay, not growth. So let's see how we would work that out. So, like I've mentioned before, when dealing with growth or decay, the main exponential growth and decay, the main formula would be y equals a times b with an exponent of x. In this case, since we're dealing with rate, we're going to plug it in like this. Y is equal to a times 1 minus r, because we're dealing with decay, times exponent of t, which represents time. Okay, so let's plug in our numbers. So we're solving for y. We know that our car starts off at a value of $40,000. Okay? Now we're going to multiply that by 1 minus the rate, which is 7%. Now, to get the decimal version of 7%, we are going to divide 7 by 100, which gives us 0.07. Now, our exponent in this case is the time, which between the year of 2015 and 2024, there are 9 years. Okay? Again, we are going to start off with this part of our equation. Of course, feel free to grab your calculator to do this next part. Now, we're going to subtract 1 minus 0.07, which gives us 0.93. Now, 0.93 to the 9th power is equal to, which gives us a very large decimal, which is 0.52041108,298. And that is going to be multiplied by 40,000. So let's do that math very quickly. This is a total of y equals $19,359.29. So why did I not round that up to 30? I did not round it up to 30 because it was 2. So I just kept it down to 29. If it was 5 or above, I would have rounded it up, but just kept it at 29. So that's just an estimate about roughly what the vehicle would be worth 9 years after it was purchased. Okay? Now let's go into your example. So for your assignment today, I pretty much am asking you the same question, so you know you're working with decay. Keep that in mind when plugging in your numbers to your equation or your formula. And keep in mind that now, instead of checking its depreciation or the value or how much the car would be worth in 2024, you are looking for how much a car that was worth $40,000 in 2015 is worth now this year in 2021. So be mindful of that. If you have any questions on anything, please do not hesitate and ask. I'm here to help. I hope you all have a very wonderful rest of your day, and I hope to be hearing back from everyone very, very soon. Goodbye.